Okay, so I was mowing the lawn, so you can see, and then this string got caught. Someone put it on the floor. I think it was me. So, alright, so this is how I'm gonna fix it. At the beginning I thought, oh, maybe I can just untangle all the wire, but I think it would be a lot easier if I just take the blade out. And I take the blade out, and I should just come out. I think that's what's gonna happen. So let's go ahead and try that. Here he goes. Here he goes. Alright, I think that's it. I mean, one part still there. Looks like he got caught to the blade pretty hard, but everything should come out on its own now. There's really nothing holding it up there. Almost looked like, oh, it melted. That's what happened. It looked like it melted. Pretty bad. So let's start pulling it. Now it's untangling. So it got caught, and then the thing kept running, and it looks like it just burned off. So we get the blade. Oh, this should be able to come out. Okay, so there goes that. Okay, awesome. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing up there. But I mean, if anything gets caught on your lawnmower, I mean, I put it on this things, and then I put a jack on the back, and then this wheel here in case it wanted to fall on my face or my hand. But all right, thank you for watching. Have a good day.